Has everyone got each other unmuted and properly set up? Or muted and...
Yeah.
Wait, we should mute everyone?
Yeah.
No.
Mute ourselves, but unmute the other folks.
Yeah.
Yep, all good.
Alright, where were we going?
Hey, let's go.
Shit, I have Hey.
Lucky knows this map pretty well, so
Alright, I'm gonna go A mid.
I'm gonna go long.
I'm going upstairs. I'll go short. Actually, I'll go long.
I'm going
Bomb's
long.
going long.
One person was in mid.
Garage door.
One's on site.
Front entrance.
Flashed.
Come down. I'm down upstairs. He went upstairs. I missed him.
I got him.
You can plant.
Alright, I'm planting.
Oh, watch out, there's a guy right
Another one down.
Planted.
Good.
Fuck! Got him. Holy shit.
One guy left.
One left, yeah.
He's mid doors. He's mid doors. Mid hallway, sort of. He's like in the mid hallways.
Don't let him save.
Got him.
Okay, buddy. Good push, guys. Excellent.
Alright, I'm gonna buy an
I want to keep
M4.
it at A. You guys cool with that?
What's up?
What?
To you guys, what do you want? A or B?
I can do either.
Yeah, either or.
Whoever's
matter.
got bomb, just lucky. I guess we're going in.
I got bomb.
Where are you going, A?
I'm gonna push mid since I've got an M4.
Okay. Alright, Lucky, I'm going long.
You go straight upstairs and plant.
One down at mid.
One's on site.
Yep.
Looks like.
One's pushing around from B.
There's two coming around B.
I don't see him.
They're by elevator. They're by elevator.
They're
They're
down,
in-
yeah, they're upstairs, I think.
Shit. Where'd the bomb go?
It's up top, balcony.
I got it. Damn it.
Got him.
Oh, he's up. Planted.
He was on
One guy
stairs at
left.
elevator.
Sissy, you can.
Nice try. Oh, I saved your P90. Sweet.
Someone grabbed my M4.
Oh, I forgot about this.
Did anyone get my M4?
Yo, knowing
P90.
what you can shoot through really helped out there. Shooting them through the elevator.
Alright, let's go B this time.
Got some smokes.
I like that plan. I'll go long.
I'll go
I'm gonna
short.
throw a flash.
I'm gonna hold mid.
Here. Long corridor pocket.
One's at Saturn Sedan.
He did. Damn it. There's a guy at double doors.
Two at their spawn.
One at pocket. Got him.
3v3. 2v3.
Oh, you gotta get back and defend that bomb.
Got him. Oh, got him. Ah, he got me. He's at power generator.
Oh,
1v1.
why'd I push
Oh,
it
nice
out?
defuse.
Time's left on that bomb.
I don't know. I can't tell from here.
Should be enough.
Damn, he had
Damn.
clippers, I guess.
Nice job, guys.
Alright, I still have enough for an M4.
I
Hate
still
B.
got tons of money. If anybody wants anything, tell me now.
I'm good.
Anyone want a snipe? I can afford it.
Lucky, take
Hey, guys.
Lucky, take bomb, or someone take bomb. Lucky.
We're going
Lucky,
A.
where's it going? Okay.
I'm gonna snipe mid.
Alright, do it. I'll go.
I'm pushing long A.
I'll be
Going
right
left
behind you,
side
Lucky.
triangles.
There's a guy. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Down, back wall.
Got one at triangle. Got one at back of A. Alright, I'm moving.
2v2.
Monster.
was
Oh,
coming from
damn.
the elevator. area.
One's outside by
1v2.
Good plant.
Hit him.
Damn! How did I miss that?
Nice,
Fine.
guys.
Fuck.
So hungry.
I'll take that.
Put it in power.
Man, we
Damn.
gotta stop losing these. It's harder on defense.
Yep. Especially now that they have money.
I had to move down to a P90.
You want to
You guys
switch?
want something? I have money.
Who was that? Switch.
Thank you.
Make sure you reload it. Make sure you reload it.
Right behind you,
on A.
please.
Alright, I'm gonna go long. One's at back.
Mid door. Damn.
Nice trade.
3v3.
Damn it. I'm down upstairs from mid door.
2v3.
Oh god, he's fast. Well, no.
1v3.
Don't huddle so close together.
Nice, dude.
Oh, what a
Nice.
no.
Alright, we need to switch it up somehow. What can
Yeah.
we do?
We can all take long corridor and then decide which way we want to go from there.
Alright.
Good idea. I'm just saying it's something we can do to switch it up.
Not sure that's a good idea.
Don't feel like
Watch
one.
out for nades.
One's
There's a guy
up
there.
and by the garage.
What happened? My gun just fell out of my hand.
Right
was
side,
good.
outside.
I would say go A because they got an op. They got an op in the garage. Behind
hit.
blue.
I wounded
I'm into A
Swordcaster
right now.
pretty bad.
Fuck.
2-2.
Yeah, you got
what
saw
happened?
that.
I'm planted at
your gun.
A.
Yeah.
Damn it, I'm
Two
dead.
on
1-1.
I got killed
My body has
outside.
clippers. My body has
1v1.
clippers.
1-on-1.
Nice.
Yes.
Oh, close.
Grab gun.
Nice.
Gotta go from above. Gotta go from above.
Oh, it was in my hand. Anyone?
Here,
Gun.
somebody take this.
I can buy an M4 for someone if they want.
Where are we going, guys?
Let's go B.
Where do you... Alright. Buy some smoke then.
There's one
One's at
Saturn.
sedan.
Or yeah, sedan.
They got an op back there. Watch out, lava.
That got me.
Can anyone smoke this thing?
I just used my one smoke.
There's one at sedan. One at sedan. I'm gonna go and cover him.
There's one. One at double doors? No, one at sedan. Behind sedan in the pocket.
One left. 1v4, we got this.
Oh no, maybe I killed him. Fuck. They're saving, guys. None of these guys are wearing armor. I'm gonna take that off though.
Pocket's
Yeah, take
If I
the
can.
off. Grab any other weapons you see.
Somebody watching the bomb?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I'll watch it from long.
12
Watching
seconds.
from my spawn.
Oh,
Saving.
M4. Yeah, get.
I got it.
Oh yeah. That was very productive.
Yes, Yes, it was.
That's a big round.
All right, we got guns aplenty, boys.
Okay, M4. I've got an op.
P90.
Scoobs, I'll stick with you since you got the op, and then I'll back you up.
Let's do that again. Buy smokes.
We gotta get a smoke out by Sedan, I think.
Yeah.
I got one
I'll try to
ready.
throw it. Oh, you got it? Okay. I'll watch mid.
Oh, one's going long B.
Watch out for Sedan.
One's coming long B too.
Alright, I'm going back short.
Alright, I'm going to plant. Okay, he's coming around, he's coming around. Smoke him if you got him. Double doors. They're still saving. Now they're smoking.
I just threw one, that might have been me. Grabbed
Double
an
doors.
M4 as well.
God damn it. Container.
What? He's back down
Two.
container. Might be at the bomb.
Got him.
Okay,
Nice.
get guns.
Guns.
Just a car. Who
I
wants
got
a
it.
car?
Last round, boys. Last
And an
round.
M4. Who wants an M4?
Last round, buy up.
M4. Anyone need anything?
Somebody just left.
They're back, whoever it was.
Oh.
Where are we going?
Let's go. Same thing.
I'm gonna throw a bunch of frags out.
Oh, one just rushed B.
Yep.
Bombs down.
Fuck. There's a guy in mid. Be very careful in the crotch.
One's by dumpster. Going to Orca and Lucky.
Damn it.
Lucky, you're the last one versus 5.
Do the best you can, buddy. Yeah, if you want to just take a couple by surprise, that's fine.
Yeah, you got time.
We don't really gain anything no matter what happens here, so...
Oh, I didn't get any. God damn.
Alright guys, we're 5v4.
Alright, I'm gonna watch garage.
Alright,
I'll go
I'm gonna go
garage
B
with
mid.
you.
Or not B mid. I'm gonna go A mid.
I'm gonna go long B.
I'm gonna go back of A. Or watch A at least.
I'm watching near the car.
Yeah, buddy. Can you hear me, Asa?
Alright, nothing at B so
Right now.
far.
Yeah.
Alright, let's push up and try to flank them.
Where?
A.
So it
A.
sounds like A.
It's definitely A.
Oh, they got me at A.
Alright, they're along the emergency wall. Fuck. God damn it.
Five.
Got one.
Get him, get him. Yes.
5-4.
Oh, he got me with a nade.
1v3.
Fuck.
God, the Glock is trash nowadays.
Yeah, I'm disappointed. I gotta save.
Yeah, me too.
Save.
I'm just gonna buy a 5.7.
I'll buy some nades.
What happened?
1 nade.
You okay?
One at B. Two at B.
They're B. Definitely B.
Oh, one's coming around long.
Damn it!
Let me call you back after this done. It's hard for me to concentrate right now. These guys are all really good.
Put a whole clip into that guy.
Lucky, did you take a phone call?
I had to. Sorry, I'm sorry.
Oh, that's all right. I was wondering, somebody was talking to somebody.
Nah, so I'm sorry. I had to.
It's all good, man.
No problem.
Yeah. I'm
I'm
usually
gonna try
better
to
than this,
push
I
a
swear.
little further down into B this time. It's
Alright.
long.
I feel like they're gonna do A.
I'm going A.
No, I see him at B. They're at B.
Okay. Coming through mid. Oh, the sniper at mid.
Got him.
You got him.
I got one, I think. Yeah. All
3
right,
on
2v3. Anyone see bomb? Bomb might be at A. Oh, I got an M4. Hell yeah.
Oh,
They're
I'm
gonna
just
bring
picking up guns, damn it.
I got killed
Oh,
from corridor.
Got him right. Oh, guns.
Beautiful.
Okay, I got a P90 and an M4.
Isn't
Give me my.
Is it
give
I'll take
me
that
one of
P90.
those.
Is an op.
Ooh, I'll take the op.
You're
if
an
no one else
M4 or
wants.
anything.
Here. Lava, there's a P90 right there.
I got it.
Oh, sorry, Lava.
Alright, I'm going A this time.
Okay, I'm gonna
Alright,
cover B mid.
Nothing at B
Hey,
so far.
hey.
One down. Bomb planted.
4v4.
Alright, 4 on 4.
God damn it.
damn.
Peekaboo. Oh, you got him
Nice.
already. God damn it.
Alright, 4
No,
on
he's
2.
still alive.
2v4, guys. 1v4.
He's down, 1
Oh
left.
god, I missed.
Sit down.
God damn it. Can anybody
good.
buy me a gun?
Yeah, what do you want?
What do you
Oh, dang, I've only got 1300. I'm gonna buy a defuse kit.
1500 as well. I can buy you anything in that range.
It's an M4. M4.
That'll be good enough.
Push it in 4.
Watch out, they probably have ops. I see one at B.
Fuck.
2 at B. I think he's got an op at B.
Fuck.
Damn it.
Behind container.
God, mid.
My bad, guys. I went down early.
Two v 5, 2v4, 1v4.
Nice.
1v3.
Alright, I am very poor.
Save.
I'm also very poor.
Save.
Yeah,
And
Yeah,
it's gonna
I'm
be
gonna say
one
two.
round left.
we got 2 rounds left.
No, I know, but if they win this one, it'll be 1 round for them to win.
That's why I'm saving.
So bad with pistols.
B.
Okay.
Are they rotating day?
God, he still killed me?
Nice.
I think they're
3.
going A. I don't see anyone here.
Oh, there's one here
on the
still.
back. Yeah. One down.
3v3.
Oh, he's in
Me too.
the. He's by elevator.
2.
Do we see bomb?
I never saw it.
He can
It's
serve.
A.
Oh,
It's A.
Can't plan it there.
2v3. We got this.
I didn't see anyone.
Ah, damn it. There's one at back.
Two,
with an
two.
AUG.
snipe. Be careful.
Oh,
1v2.
Nice.
Damn
Guess I
it.
should have saved.
Sorry, guys. Buy up.
Alright, do we all want to stick together or split up?
I need to stay together. All I got is a Glock. I got some clippers just in case.
Alright, yeah, we'll protect Lucky then.
Alright.
A reverse bomb strategy.
I heard smoke go B, but I don't know. Yep, somebody in triangles.
four in triangles.
It's gotta be A.
They're all
God
in
damn it.
triangles.
Sniper, be careful.
Damn it, all of them. I wounded them significantly, but
2v4.
Or B2 guys.
Or to the face.
3v1.
One left.
good game, guys.
Yeah, good geek.
Yeah.
I would rather not have
I'll take it.
Ready?
All right, new controllers, new
Okay.
life. Let's go.
Alright, let's go B long.
One's at the ladder. Oh, damn.
Got him.
He's at the connector.
There's,
I would call
yeah,
that.
2 at the connector.
Oh. Alright, Lava, you wanna
3v3,
rotate?
guys. Yeah, let's do it. Although, rotating for them is going to be a lot easier.
Yeah, I know. Hop
Yep,
down here.
this way.
They got me. It's 2 of them were in like B site.
Oh, damn.
Hello.
Cyclo, holy
That's
shit.
around is never anything good. True.
Somehow I have 3,400.
Because I planted.
Oh, nice. Alright, are we saving? Yeah, let's save.
Alright, yeah, we can afford to save.
Plot armor.
Alright, let's go A.
At least they can't take your armor from you.
Skips, you need a call?
Hey, what's up? Yeah, I got him ready.
Watch your left side. This guy.
Let me call you back in like 10
Damn it.
minutes. Alright, bye.
Damn, that was bad.
Guys, if you got smokes, use them.
It's okay, it was just a save round. But that Cyclo guy is going crazy right now. Yeah, now that I think about it, I think I like being CT on this map. You can
Where are we
just
going,
rotate
Deuce?
so quick.
Let's go B.
If this doesn't work, we should go Ivy next.
One's at the bottom of the stairs.
There's one left at A. Two left at A. And now I'm dead.
The comment coming up the ramp there. Over.
Got him.
I have a AUG there too if you want to pick
Yeah, I
that
got
up.
it. I suck with it, but who's got bomb? Oh, it's down, isn't it?
I dropped it right there.
Okay. I hit him once. He's still alive. Oh, he's back. He's at the connector.
Watch behind you, Orca.
Yeah. Damn, he got me, but he's wounded.
Chris, you got Orca up above you behind you. And
You're the last man, Chris.
Damn.
Got him. That's all of them.
Damn.
That's less than a second for
I
all
watched
3
them
sets.
play this map against Dream recently. But I don't really remember what they did too well. I was watching from Dream's perspective.
All right, smokes, flashes, whatever you can diversion. They play a long game.
Oh
Yeah.
man.
Should we go long
My
A?
bad, guys.
Let's go
My
Ivy. Yeah, long A.
Hold on.
Just watch for nades coming out of that corridor.
Jesus, I thought you guys could hear me.
They are smoking the shit out of it.
We can also go through their spawn. Nice.
I got flashed.
I'm gonna hang back. You guys keep going and I'll hang back.
I'm dead.
Oh, I'm down. Oh, what the fuck? My game crashed.
Oh no.
2v4, guys.
First time it's ever happened. Oh, I'm gonna.
Oh. We had somebody drop out, guys.
3v1. You guys lost the guy.
Yeah.
Get someone back in.
I'm coming.
He's coming.
Alright, what's the code again? Code.
1456.
1456.
Banned from this server.
He's
No.
banned. Awesome.
What can we do?
Yeah.
get
I
what's his
can-
name in here. Get
Go
what's
get
his
You have
name.
to get someone else. You got to get lucky. Yeah.
Hold on,
Get
I'll
lucky.
try.
Let's try that long A again. That
Got it?
almost
You
worked.
got it, Orca?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Oh,
What
come
is
on.
it? 14 what?
1456. You're going long A, right?
Yeah.
Oh no, I think I put 55. Yeah, no, I got it. Okay.
Fuck.
Nice one.
Yo, where you guys at?
Chris, you still trying to come in?
I mean, it just keeps saying banned. I've tried like 4 times.
Quit
you,
out of
Okay.
tab altogether.
There's a guy going down left. He might coming around from us.
Hey, are you guys calling for me?
Yeah.
Yeah, hop on.
Yeah.
It's not
Chris
What do you
got
need?
kicked
Am I
out.
going in?
All right, he's down there.
I'll try again. Yeah, banned.
Damn it!
Hey, Ray, they're calling me back in. I'll be back in a minute.
1v2.
Here, you can drop, so it'll be
Oh,
even.
my bad, guys.
Chris, why'd you get kicked out?
Oh, I don't know. I just it lagged out. It's closed my game. I relaunched it. It said banned
Maybe I
from
will.
server.
Oh, you got in just in time.
Yep.
Good shit.
Oh, we can't blame me for this loss, guys.
All right, Ivy again. Let's see if we can try to run through their spawn and go to B.
All right. I like that plan.
They might be nading there.
We can flash. I'll flash.
I'm gonna peek around the corner with my M4. All right.
What the fuck?
Yeah, there's an invisible wall. Go to the right. Oh no! God dang. That was so poor timing.
Right. Damn it.
One
Just
victory.
you, it's just you, Deuce.
3-1. They have to plant.
Bring it home.
Play smart.
Not happening.
A bunch of smokes. That might do us no good.
I bought some flashes too.
I'm going
Where are we
in
going?
first door.
Hey,
A or B?
B.
Okay.
Watch out to the right. Up to the right. Got the trade.
Nice. 4v3, guys.
Man, are you kidding me?
4v2. 3v2.
I really suck at this map. It's probably a bad map to call me in for.
Are you kidding me?
2v2.
You still got the bomb, Duce? Damn it!
What the fuck?
He's at the connector, Duce.
30 seconds. He's got a sniper. He's got a sniper.
Oh,
You've got 26 seconds to plant.
What just happened?
Force him to plant. Ooh. Maybe not.
Deuce, are
Did
you okay?
just go AFK?
I think he did.
Damn it! Why is this happening?
Well, it's not like we were going to win this particular one anyway.
I know, but
Let's try one around.
Should I? Nah. He might come back. Nades. Go for nades.
I'm trying to run around Ivy.
Watch it.
Lava on the right. Like mid, far back. One far back left also.
Got him.
Nice L's back.
I'm dead. Back at the other side of the trains.
Which? Back behind us?
Yeah.
Plenty, don't worry.
Fuck.
Come on, guys. 2v2.
oh, nice.
2-1. Get to Alpha.
God damn it.
Fucking machine. Jesus, I.
I should have had him. I should have had him. Hey, Deuce.
Hey, my HDMI thing got pulled out.
No problem.
Everything going on. Buy out, guys.
Yeah, we should do a fake out. I think we should do
Yeah.
a fake out.
I agree. And what's it gonna be?
I'll cause a distraction at B, then you guys go.
Got it. Hold back, Lucky.
I'm watching maybe. Oh damn.
Fuck, back up.
Damn! Fuck, I lit that guy up.
Sightsillo's dead. 2v4.
I'm an idol. One down at a time.
1v4. Damn.
That's rough.
He went to pick up my gun. Having too much
Okay,
fun.
I'm gonna watch the connector between B and A.
Okay, I'll go A alone. Don't take chances.
I'm gonna watch B.
Got smoke at A. Got grenade at A.
One guy was at A. He does not have bomb though.
Oh, shit. They're camping, guys. Be careful.
I got
Everyone
some
away.
action at one at B.
I got 2 at A.
I'm saying A for now.
The one
God
guy
damn
I
it,
saw.
Chikami. 2v4,
One
guys.
coming in, one coming in.
Damn, why am I so bad?
1-4.
Scoobs, you're the last one.
Yeah.
Oh, Scoobs.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo. The world is on your shoulders.
Don't blow it.
Guys,
Clutch
we
your
need to practice
kicker.
train. Oh, nice! That's a clip of the week right there.
I heard someone coming up behind me too. I had a rush.
Yeah. GG, guys.
That was amazingly
Wow.
bad.
Good game. GG. The bombs I want to